Hey everybody, this is Carla Jenkins, and I wanted to come here and just shoot this live stream about how Microsoft Learn has helped me better understand artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, if you've been following me on carlarjenkins.com or my social media, you would know that I'm actively studying for that. I do have the math background for it, and I'm currently doing reInvent, which is Amazon Web Services. So, long story short, this past week I watched a couple of machine learning reInvent sessions, and it finally started clicking with me about my learning artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I have the math background. So, I have taken calculus one, two, three, calculus based statistics, and linear algebra. So, I know how to properly train a model. I know about local, a minima, maxima, and global minimum, maximum, all of those things. But when I first initially started studying machine learning after passing my Azure AI fundamentals with an exam prep class, which is good for what it does. I fully didn't fully understand it. What I will say is by Microsoft Learn making a lot of the self-paced labs free, and also underneath um, every single exam prep, they have a self-paced learning. So I'm gonna put in Microsoft Learn here. I'll after I'm done with this live stream, I'll also put it underneath there so you can click on it. What I learned from that, as well as the Cloud Skills Challenge, is retaining like the fundamental concepts of cloud as well as artificial intelligence and machine learning. This past Sunday, I completed Build Artificial Intelligence Solutions using Azure Machine Learning. So I was using the machine learning Azure format. I learned Jupyter, copying the Python code, and learning the interactions with that. Um, Now that I'm doing Amazon Web Services, there's more portability, and it's kind of like vendor neutral. So the knowledge that I've learned and accumulated through Microsoft Learn, I was able to transition and transfer it to Amazon Web Services. I had a better understanding with AWS on what SageMaker was and what it did. So as I mentioned last month in November, when I started doing machine learning specialty, it was kind of like hard for me to grasp what exactly were you doing with SageMaker. But now, after having the machine learning background that I've acquired by doing the learning path in Microsoft Learn, I have a better understanding. Also, Microsoft Learn isn't just Azure, which is cloud computing. You also have the Microsoft 365, which is Office. You have Power Platform. I think a lot of the certifications in Microsoft have some type of learning platform or lab that can really help you, and it's free. And that's what I really really use by, I believe, completing the least, I think, 4 or 5 of those learning paths just specifically for AI 100, which I'm doing right now, to be able to better understand it. Furthermore, uh, I do see myself still returning back to AWS machine learning specialty. But what I will say is the Microsoft Learning free learning paths have really, really helped me better understand it, grasp the concepts. Like if I didn't understand something, I would have the background to type it and Google it to get the answer that I was looking for. And I just think that that free learning tool is very, very big for me, and not just myself, but a lot of people who are participating in 100 Days of Cloud, Machine Learning Code, and 100 Days of Code, just to learn, to grasp the concepts, and to be able to actually do the work if you're considered for any type of tech position. So I wanted to come on here, do the live stream, just talk about how the free Microsoft Learn resource has really, really helped me better understand the concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning. As always, thanks for watching. You can contact me at carlarjenkins.com/work. And for all things me, as well as cloud computing and machine learning, check me out on carlarjenkins.com. Thank you. If you're watching live, Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss anything. And I'll see everybody in the next live stream video. Have a wonderful day.